Good morning to the world. My name is Abdul Samed Yusuf. I'm from northern Ghana, and I always share my farm to you guys out there in the world. And we are now going to the end of this month, and I just want to share my farm to you guys out there in the world, especially my brothers out there in the world, to also to give them hope about Africa. We know Africa leaders still not get what Africa deserve. So we are also giving our brothers out there hope, and we know one day the leaders of Africa will know what Africa really deserve, especially the youth now coming up. They need to know more about Africa and what is Africa. And today is 29th July, and I just want to share my farm to you guys that out there in the world, and give my brothers and sisters hope, especially the mixed one too, to know that we people in Africa also think about you guys out there. Stay healthy, blessed, one love, one world to everyone outside there. Peace.